Folks, this is a little tip. If you use SodaStream and wash these cups, you want to make sure you're removing the gasket. The reason why I'm saying this because I'm constantly washing it. And how I do this washing process, I'll just get a spoon of soda, dab it inside, just as so. I'll show it to you. A little bit of water and just go around like this. I'm using that sushi stick. There you go. So all these things get sometimes moldy. I'll show you one on the green one. So, and that's how you wash it with the toothbrush. Okay, here's a dark one. Since you can't really see anything in there, I'm using a knife. Be careful, don't cut the gasket to catch it. And I'll show you what the gasket look like in the white one. See these dark spots. The first time I noticed it months ago, it was even worse. It was moldy, but that's how you do so. So you just add a little bit of soda, tiny bit water, and use anything that can go inside. Well, let's say if this is inside, but if it's outside, simply wash it. And get clean. It's really hard to see if anything inside, and probably it is. First time my water get green, so that was tutorial how to prevent any bacteria to get inside you by washing these extra steps. Also, you can add a little bit of soda inside and get inside a piece of napkin or anything you have available and wash it like this, and you will see how green it gets if you never cleansed it. You spin it at the bottom like this and washed off all the greens and mold. Then use the soda to wash it outside. Nice and clean. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.